Yeah, as usual, guys, I'm trading binary options on Quotex. I usually trade on binary, on IQ option, sorry, but this time I tried to trade here. So I'm investing $40, as you can see, and I believe that this one is going up. As usual, I'm using the same strategy that I used on IQ option. My strategy is working for me 100%, so I'll use it here also on Quotex. The strategy is explained in the course in the description below, so if you are interested, I invite you to go and take a look at the course. For example, here, yeah, I predict this one is going up, this one is going to be a green candle, and yeah, I invested, as you can see, I invested $400 with an up, meaning a long position, and yeah, using these indicators, the parabolic SAR, the dots that you are, the parabolic SAR, sorry, the dots that you're looking at. Also, I'm using the, yeah, the Bollinger Bands, and then also I'm using the SAR, the RSI, sorry, the RSI. Yeah, I'm trading. Yep, I made $328. Yeah, let's go. I'm trading on 1 minute candlestick chart, with a 1 minute expiration time, investing $400, and I'm expecting that this one is going up. And really, the first one went up, and the market created a green candle, and I believe that this is going to be happening next. Market will keep creating another green candle. So using my strategy, what I got is I can predict like the next 8 or 7 candles a time. So each time I predict, or I get the signal tells me the colors of the next 8 or 7 candles. I try to record a trading session every time I get a signal, and I try to share it with you. So on Quotex, this is on Quotex happening. I'm using the indicators here. I'm using, yeah, the RSI here. Yeah, this is perfect. Also, you can use other platforms like, yeah. By the way, the strategy is explained, as I said, in the description below. There is plenty of stuff on the course. I'll teach you how to trade the options. The examples are happening on IQ option, but here, yeah, this one is also is going down this time. It's flipping because, yeah, once you understand the strategy, you will understand why I'm 100% sure that this one is going down. Yeah. All right. This one, this one, this one. So yeah. See, as predicted, same thing as predicted. This one and this one. Look, the Bollinger Bands. Look at a side, something here. The RSI, the parabolic SAR. Yep, another win. Yeah, I still have more candles. I still have more candles. Yeah, so here the market is flipping. So the market is making a reversal here. It's going down, a reversal. Yep. This one is a red candle, 100%. 100% a red candle, meaning the market is going down. So I choose down, investing $400. If I'm winning, I'm making 82%, meaning I'm making around $328. Yep, another winning trade. Let's go. Yeah. Usually I trade on iqoption, guys, but in this case I'm trading on Quotex. There's plenty other platforms that allow binary option. My strategy can be used on any platform that allows binary option trading. Also in the course I will teach you step by step binary option trading, and I will in the last chapter I will give you the exact strategy that I'm using, the advanced level of the strategy. Yeah, another $310 or $410. Sorry, I made $410. That's 82%. Yeah, 82%. All right. Yeah, this one is going to be a green candle. I'm 100%. Don't worry. Last seconds, it's going up, and I'm making some money from this trade also. Yep, as predicted, another profitable trade. So let's take a look here. So we'll keep investing $500. Here I'm predicting that the market is creating another green candle and it's going up. The market will keep going up. Yeah, in this case, even with the red candle, I'm expecting a smaller red candle, but it's profitable trade. It's profitable trade. Don't worry. Yeah, $500 investment. This one is going to be last candle. I'm a little bit busy, guys. I will need to stop the trading session. I remember I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options.